Hi, Mike Schultz here, inviting you to go on tour, taking a look at this 109-acre Grade A dairy farm in Upsala. Beautiful farm home, open porch. Take a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. A beautiful June day, breeze in the flag, and this is where you're going to spend your mornings, that cup of coffee, and beautiful setting, ladies and gentlemen. Nice open farmyard, Grade A dairy barn. Now we're in the house. Kitchen, dining area. Nice appointments to it, ladies and gentlemen. And look here, this is where you and your family are going to spend your time. And living room, ceramic tile floor, beautiful setting. This is the entry sunroom with a half moon window flowing around into large family room right here, and has a natural gas fireplace. That's right, natural gas. Then we come around, half bath, and then going upstairs. Large 4-piece bathroom, bedrooms, golden oak hardwood flooring, nice sized bedrooms. Coming up, here's the master bedroom. A lot to take in. Lower level, another bedroom or den room. Then we're back outside. Grade A dairy barn, 76 cow Grade A with pipeline. Berg equipment in the barn. Stalls are 6 foot by 44 inches. 76 cow. Berg cleaner. Excellent operation. And there's that chicken. In the dairy barn. Now, the livestock, growing facilities, cemented, grain bin, 4,600 bushel grain bin with a drying floor. And now we're going out to the east end, cow lot, and then going to pasture land. There's 55 acres of upland pasture land, plus another 8 acres of field out on the east side and meadowland. We're looking at fields on the east and north side of the building site. There's over 20 acres tillable here. Everything on the farm is in alfalfa at the moment. And so, ladies and gentlemen, a great setup. Get a hold of me, Mike Schultz, 320-232-0850. What? Here's that chicken again, out in the yard now. Do something. Give me a call.